There are implants out there right now that could be making people vulnerable to health issues. Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm is here to tell us all about this recall. Jim, thanks for being here.
Sure, thank you. Yeah, this is tough. You know, this is a company called Exact makes hip implants, knee implants, ankle implants, and they're going to have to recall hundreds of thousands of their implants because they're breaking down early. And, you know, that's devastating news. You know, if you know anybody that's ever had a knee replacement or hip replacement, the conversation is generally the same. My mom, it was the same. You know, she worried about having it. She eventually has it. You know, she's glad she had it. But most people you talk to, if they've ever had an implant replacement or joint replacement, they say, man, I'm glad I did it, but I never want to go through it again. I mean, it's painful. It's a lot of physical therapy. And so with this recall, I mean, it's devastating. A lot of people are getting letters or finding out that their implant is breaking down years before it should. They may have to go get a revision. And to have to go through all that again is really hard.
So as people hear about these implants being recalled and they find out that they have a defective one, if they haven't had that information sent to them yet, is there a way to research that, and that they do find out that they are on that list, what is the next step?
Sure, that's a great question. So, you're right, if you go into your orthopedic and you say, all right, it's time for my knee and to be replaced, you don't know what they're putting in you, right? You trust your doctor. That doctor trusts the company that comes to them and says, hey, this is a good device. It's going to last for decades. So don't panic if you've had one in the past couple of years. Call your orthopedic. They'll have a record. Say, what was my implant? You could go to our website and you could see if it's one of the recalled ones. A lot of our clients that we're going through this with, they've got a letter from Broadspire or a company saying you've had a recall. Again, go to your doctor. Some of my folks aren't having problems with it, but if you are, you really need legal help. Right now, they're just offering replacement or refund of the surgery costs, and that doesn't begin to cover what you're going to go through.
So, Jim, what should people do if they feel that they are on that list and need to have some legal recourse?
Yeah, call us, right? You don't pay us anything until we win. You need legal help. I'm telling you, there's going to be a lot of damages. Get us in early. Let us get started. Let us get everything filed. Call us right now.
Jim, thank you so much for sharing this very important information with our viewers. I'm going to send it back to you.
Thank you so much. Well, this segment was sponsored by the Higgins Firm, and if you have questions, you can get a free consultation at the Higgins Firm by dialing this number, 888-994-7822. You can also visit them online at thehigginsfirm.com, and that number